Do you have an error with the iTunes Mobile Device Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability. Before we dive into the iTunes Mobile Device Library manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This DLL file is a core component of the Apple mobile device support. It enables Windows applications to recognize, communicate with, and manage file transfers for iPhones, iPads, and iPods connected via USB. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Because the iTunes Mobile Device Library DLL is required by Apple iTunes to initialize correctly, a standard repair is needed. Reinstalling the official version of Apple iTunes ensures all required application DLLs are restored to their proper paths. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the iTunes Mobile Device Library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing the iTunes Mobile Device Library DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. The utility link below provides informational guidance for users reviewing the iTunes Mobile Device Library and system behavior. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for the iTunes Mobile Device Library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.